In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on YouTube. So if you have a dedicated handle for your YouTube account, you can easily change it, most especially if you're trying to rebrand, then you need to change your username or your YouTube handle. So this video is going to walk you through the steps that you need to take to either change or rebrand your YouTube username. So if you're at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So in this case, I'm going to show you two different methods that you can employ to change username on the YouTube application, and all this you can do it on your mobile device. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, the process is similar. So the first one to do is open the YouTube application on your phone like this, then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on that, tap View Channel. Now this is what you're going to see. Click on this Edit Pencil, and here you see your YouTube handle, and this is a YouTube name. Now to change your YouTube handle, then click on YouTube handle to change the handle. Then come here and delete it, and then type in something else. And if this username is available, you should see the handle is available. And if it is not available, you should see the handle is not available. Now let's say I just type passive profit underscore hub. So let's go ahead and add underscore before the hub like this. And then hang on to see whether this username is available. As you can see, it is available. So if your YouTube username is available, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this blue check mark. Then go ahead and click on save. Once you hit the save button, this is going to save as your new YouTube username or new YouTube handle. This is going to affect your YouTube URL channel. You saw this? So once you change your username or handle on YouTube, it's going to change the YouTube URL. Now, another way you can use to change your username or YouTube handle on your device is open the YouTube Studio application. Click on your profile icon at the top right. Then click on this Edit Pencil. Then under handle, tap the Edit Pencil. Then type in your new YouTube username. Mark you can only change your YouTube username twice every 14 days. So after that, you need to wait for another 14 days before you can rename or change your YouTube username or handle again. So once you're done, type in the correct username, go ahead and click on save. Then once you hit the save button, you see handle and channel URL changed. Then the new username will be here, and then your YouTube URL will be modified with the YouTube username or handle. So this is how you can easily change your YouTube username. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.